Third product on this list is the Adams Red. This next unit produces a thick layer of foam cannon that combines the pressurized water and car wash soap to create a thick foam layer. It features a modifiable intake valve that controls how much snow foam you would like to produce, which makes a blanket of foam at a safe level of lubricity on the surface. This is good because the more suds you put between your hand, wash sponge, or wash mitt and your finish, the less chance you have of leaving any micro scratches behind. We also found that this unit helps you use less soap by only requiring 4 to 6 ounces to provide total vehicle coverage. Another advantage is that you can apply an equal layer of foam in a faster amount of time rather than dipping back into the bucket and washing where you may have already soaped up. This foam lance is simply a tool every detailing enthusiast should have. It brings your washing experience to the 21st century with new pressurized technology that will significantly reduce your wash time by coating your car in soap before you work on it. What's more, the Adams foam cannon holds almost 35 ounces of liquid to help you elevate your detailing experience. We particularly like that it has an adjustable spray pattern, which you can change from jet stream to a vast fan pattern in seconds. Its pros are, it has an intake valve that helps you control the amount of water used, it helps you use less soap, which saves you a trip to the store, and it has an adjustable powerful foam nozzle spray. However, it can be a bit heavy when attached to the end of a pressure washer wand. The Adams Red is a great tool to have when washing your own car.